Hello, I'm Senator Joe Donnelly. I want to update you on my efforts on behalf of Hoosiers in the United States Senate and share a few highlights from the past year. As I've long said, there's a lot more wisdom in Indiana than in Washington, D.C. And my job is to represent everybody across our state. I again visited all 92 counties and hosted or participated in 557 events and meetings in 112 cities and towns over 223 days in Indiana. My office heard from constituents in every county, and we logged a total of 169,227 contacts from Hoosiers, including emails, calls, mail, and faxes. Our office also worked with Hoosiers seeking assistance with federal agencies and resolved over 2,000 cases, resulting in more than $2.5 million in federal benefits being returned to Hoosiers. I led the charge in working with colleagues, both Republican and Democratic, to get bipartisan, common sense legislation signed into law. Several of my provisions aimed at fighting the opioid abuse and heroin use epidemic became law in 2016 as part of the Comprehensive Addiction and Recovery Act. I also helped secure funding that will provide important resources for families and communities that are facing and fighting this public health crisis every day in Indiana and across the country. The final provision of my bipartisan service member and veteran mental health care package was signed into law, allowing the Department of Defense to improve access to mental health care for service members through training physicians' assistants to provide mental health assessments and care. And I hosted the first ever visit from a sitting Secretary of Defense at Crane Naval Surface Warfare Center, where Hoosiers do critical work to develop innovative, cutting-edge technology to keep our troops safe and protect our national security. You can check out our annual report for a more detailed look at the work I did on behalf of Hoosiers last year. It's such a privilege to serve all Hoosiers. I'm the hired help, and if our office can ever be of assistance, please visit www.donnelly.senate.gov. Thanks so much.